Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to start off by looking at Alarm. This is a stock that I had recommended back on the 18th is when we began pursuing this. We talked about it in one of these free videos, and there's a couple concepts worth looking at. Without getting into too much detail, it did a pretty good job of respecting your 8 and 21 moving averages, and of course the whole point too is that you try to stay in the underlying until the squeeze fires, and we didn't actually see that come through until we started getting that momentum on Monday and Tuesday. So all in all, a very nice squeeze, and a stock I think you can still buy for the move up into 49. And something we've got a little bit of cushion in. One that we're still having to work with, or kind of seeing the pattern through, is Juno. So same thing, a little later in the month in these free videos, we were looking at Juno, and I think it still looks great. You've seen the pullback down into the 8, which I'm considering a place to add to my position and see if we can get the squeeze to fire long as we head closer into earnings. And then one that you can get into, or that I'm going to be looking to start a position in tomorrow, is Restoration Hardware. So on something like this, if you look at this and the way that I just have the very basic 100 or 50, 100, and 200 day moving averages here stacked, I like looking at these when they're all organized and on top of one another. This just tells me that at least in the immediate, or in my mind 200 day term, this is a mature bullish trend. Of course, if you go way back in time, that may not be the case, but the immediate momentum is definitely to the long side, and with the squeeze starting to show up today, this is something that I think you can buy for a move. You know, the extension of the previous swing will be 89.68. If you want to take profits at a smaller swing, that's fine. And of course, remember the whole idea that if you start buying it here at 75, 74, and move back down into 73 would be a gift to add to it, and then look for the ultimate extension up there near 89 and 90. So I hope that helps. Reviews where we've been, a couple of places to be getting involved, and we'll touch base on this in the next free video.